Hello, I am opening my order for the cutesyscoopy. I think she has a TikTok and she's on Etsy. If you want to go check that out. So the first thing I got is some little stickers and I think like little confetti bows and a thank you card. Some cute little tissue paper, nice wrapped, a little purse, a mascara, some eyelashes, shea butter lipstick, some hand sanitizer and Moonlight Orchard, a Juicy Couture lip gloss, a lip contour kit, a powder puff, a tropical mango party hand cream with a cute little charm, eye patches, or eye mask, sorry, with Cinderella on it, a hair clip, a cute little mini mirror, some hot and cold iPads, face mask, 3, and a scrunchie. Thanks so much.